In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore emails from the trash folder in Yahoo Mail step by step. Let's dive right into it, starting with accessing Yahoo Mail. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in mailyahoo.com and hit enter. This will take you to the Yahoo Mail sign-in page. Here you'll need to log in using your username and password. Once you've entered these details and clicked the Sign In button, you'll be directed to your Yahoo Mail inbox, which serves as your central hub for managing your messages. Now that you're in your inbox, we need to navigate to the trash folder where all deleted emails are stored temporarily. For those using the classic Yahoo Mail interface, look at the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a list of folders, and the trash icon shouldn't be hard to miss. If you're in the new Yahoo Mail interface, you might need to first click on More Options to reveal the additional folders, including Trash. Go ahead and click on Trash. Once you're inside the trash folder, you will see a list of all the emails that you've deleted. Scroll through this list to find the specific message or messages that you want to restore. It's important to check through these carefully to make sure you're retrieving the correct emails. Once you have located the emails you'll be restoring, simply click on the checkbox next to each email. This selection process ensures that only the specific emails you've chosen will be restored to your inbox. The final step is to actually restore these emails. In the Yahoo Mail interface, there should be a button or an icon, often labeled as Restore to Inbox, that appears once you've selected your emails. Click on this button. This action will immediately move the selected emails back to your inbox, where they will be readily accessible along with your other messages. And there you have it. You've successfully restored emails from your Yahoo Mail trash folder back to your inbox. It's a straightforward process, but it can really come in handy if you've ever mistakenly deleted important messages. Remember, emails will only stay in the trash folder for a limited time, so it's essential to act quickly if you need to recover something. Always take a moment to review the contents of your trash folder periodically to ensure nothing of significance gets permanently lost. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing.